Most people think a bank account is just a place to keep money. But the truth is, your bank already judged you before you even walk through the door. Not by your character, not by your work ethic, not by whether you're a good person, by your balance. That one number decides what fees you pay, how fast your deposits clear, whether customer service helps you, whether you wait on hold, whether somebody important calls you back. And for a lot of Black families, that system quietly creates stress that never turns off. Because when money stays tight, pressure stays high. And when pressure stays high, your body starts paying the price too. This episode is about the invisible class system hiding inside banking. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Imagine this. You got rent due. Your paycheck hits Wednesday, but your insurance payment comes out Tuesday. Boom. $35 overdraft fee. Then your phone bill hits. Another fee. Now you lost over $70 because you were already short on money. That's the trap. The system punishes instability by creating more instability. And Black communities get hit especially hard because many families are already operating close to the edge financially. The bank sees this as revenue, but your nervous system experiences it as survival mode. Now watch how upside down this system really is. A struggling person may pay 30%, 35%, even 36% interest just to borrow money. Meanwhile, wealthy people borrow from the same banks at 5%, 6%, 7%. Same building, same logo, completely different rules. The richer you are, the cheaper money becomes. The poorer you are, the more expensive survival becomes. That's not an accident. That's the business model. Banks don't really see people. They see categories, risk tiers, profit levels, relationship value. If your balance stays low, you wait longer. You pay more fees. You get automated responses. But once your balances rise, suddenly everything changes. Calls get answered faster. Fees disappear. Special advisors appear. The bank starts acting like it cares about you. But what actually changed? Not your humanity, your profitability. This is where health enters the conversation. Because financial stress doesn't stay in your bank account. It enters your bloodstream. Chronic stress raises cortisol. High cortisol affects blood pressure, sleep, inflammation, energy, memory, emotional control. That means money problems can literally make your body weaker over time. A lot of Black men are walking around exhausted. Not because they're lazy, but because survival mode never shuts off. Once people reach higher wealth levels, the entire banking experience transforms. Dedicated bankers, private lounges, special phone numbers, lower loan rates, priority treatment, even luxury events and exclusive experiences. And here's what hurts. Many of those perks are quietly funded by fees collected from struggling customers below. That means people fighting overdraft charges may literally be subsidizing elite banking experiences for millionaires. That's how inverted the system really is. The wealthy don't use money the same way average people do. They borrow against assets, stocks, businesses, real estate. They use ownership as leverage. That's why learning ownership matters. Because wealth isn't just about income. It's about positioning. And once you understand that, you stop chasing appearances and start chasing assets.
One of the biggest mindset shifts is this. Stop celebrating when the bank simply stops punishing you. No monthly fee with qualifying balance isn't generosity. That's pricing. The bank is telling you exactly how much money you need before they stop charging you to exist. That realization changes how you see the financial world. Because once you understand the system, you stop taking everything personally and start learning how the game actually works. The goal isn't just becoming rich. The goal is becoming financially stable enough that your body can finally breathe. Less stress, lower cortisol, better sleep, better decisions, better health, better opportunities. That's why Black Health and Wealth Code exists, because health and wealth are connected. Financial literacy is health literacy. And the more we understand the system, the harder it becomes for the system to quietly drain us. Build savings, protect your credit, reduce debt, learn ownership, protect your peace. Because freedom is bigger than money. Freedom is finally getting your nervous system out of survival mode. That's the code. Keep it, grow it, protect it, and pass it down. The goal isn't just becoming rich. The goal is becoming financially stable enough that your body can finally breathe. Less stress, lower cortisol, better sleep, better decisions, better health, better opportunities. That's why Black Health and Wealth Code exists. Because health and wealth are connected. Financial literacy is health literacy. And the more we understand the system, the harder it becomes for the system to quietly drain us. Build savings, protect your credit, reduce debt, learn ownership, protect your peace. Because freedom is bigger than money. Freedom is finally getting your nervous system out of survival mode. That's the code. Keep it, grow it, protect it, and pass it down.